With a decline in the number of cases cleared up by the Jamaica Constabulary Force for 2019 compared to last year, the police say they continue to struggle with Jamaicans refusing to provide information in cases. Now, social anthropologist Dr. Herbert Gale sought to explain why. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has the details.
Gunshots, crime scene, and then the investigation begins. This is often the sequence of events for police working in volatile communities island-wide. Some of the cases are cleared up, which means at least an arrest is made. So far this year, the clear-up rate is 38% compared with 50% a year ago. The others become cold cases, leaving the police to call for persons with information to come forward. But that's not forthcoming. It's a known fact that Jamaicans are reluctant to give information due to fear of repercussions. But in an interview with TVJ News, social anthropologist and lecturer at the University of the West Indies, Dr. Herbert Gale, made a stunning revelation.
Do you know what Jamaicans are ranked in the top 5 informants in the world outside of Jamaica? That is one of the most profound findings I've had working in the international world.
In the recent sentencing of criminals in the Lauriston beheading case, the trial judge said the chilling messages that were sent reinforced the informer for dead culture, which is common in our society and is calculated to insulate criminals in this country by providing them with the security of silence so that they can continue their unlawful conduct. While the work is being done to fix this, Dr. Herbert Gale pointed to studies which show that Jamaicans provide information to law enforcers once they leave the country. He argues that this is done because the environment has changed.
People never believe that Jamaicans chat, sing like bird abroad because they weigh the consequences. If I sing like a John Truitt or a blackbird or a nightingale, I get these, I get that. But in a corrupt system where when the man sing, he can't sing another song, right? And that's why I'm saying that quite often it's the result that helps to dictate the process.
So Jamaicans may be wondering if and when the informer for dead culture will come to an end. For Dr. Gale, it will take some work, but the government must be willing to strengthen the system.
I've sat with dons, I've sat with dons who have 12 and 15-year investment in one person, who then delivers. So if the system works well, it just don't work well for stability.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.